what's up? So today we have for y'all. Yeah. I'm about to feed y'all something that y'all never seen before. Stay tuned. We're not gonna talk too much. I'm gonna do a little voiceover, but just stay tuned. It's about to get lit, you know. So first we're gonna press the route, and then. Hey yo, what's up? We're back. I told y'all I'm gonna be consistent. See, I told y'all, and I'm bringing fire. I'm not playing with none of y'all. I'm telling y'all, it's gonna be new styles, stuff that you've never seen. I'm gonna really set the trend. I'm gonna really leave my mark, cause you know I've been leaving my mark. Let's not get it twisted. I've been starting a lot of trends, but I think it's time to get back to that. So first, you wanna press the hair out for this ponytail. I'm not gonna give too much detail, but I'm gonna help you all out if you want to do it yourself. So press your hair out really straight and make sure you get your edges and make sure you get your root straightened really well. Put it all the way up to 450. Use heat protectant. Make sure you condition your hair prior to it. Let the conditioner sit and moisturize that stresses. And take your time. So what I'm doing is I'm putting hearts in the back. Yeah, y'all never seen that before. So what I do is I take some beeswax, slick it down, then use some braiding gel. I like the I think it's like in a red container. It's called like styling wax, but it's like a braid gel. I use that, or I use the Shining Jam yellow kind, or even the Style Factor. But don't use the gel. Use the edge control. That also helps get your stitches right. But you want to just take your time. Use your comb. Get a comb that have a little space in between, as you can see. And take your time with the stitches. This is what's going to help your stitch go right. Sometimes I don't stitch like, you know how some people stitch from side to side. Sometimes I just swoop it down and braid it in. And that will help you get your stitches right. I will be having a class real soon. I'm not going to give too much details, but just know I'm going to have a class real soon, probably in August, to teach you guys how to stitch and braid. And I'm excited for everyone to come out. Have a good time. We're gonna have drinks and everything, but that's further on next month. I'll be announcing that. But everyone that's tuned into my YouTube, y'all already heard it. So yeah, as you've seen, I'm doing my ones and twos. I'm stitching as I go, and we're just gonna stitch that all the way up into the ponytail. Who, the guy? He's still surviving? Dang. So now what you want to do is you want to mold. Put that beeswax in between. I'm using beeswax because I like how it looks. You just have to make sure you take it out with this washing soap because it's super greasy. But it just helps the look to be super laid. And then I sprayed some holding spray. I used Sebastian holding spray on it, and that just keeps it super laid, super neat. And y'all see them stitches. I'm telling y'all never saw this style before. Like, this is really one of a kind. I'm so excited. I can't wait until y'all see the full style. So then you take a rubber band. You get the big rubber bands, and you see I had to take it out. Cause one thing about me, I'm gonna take the style. I'm gonna take the braid out, or I'm gonna take the ponytail out if it's not how I look. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna make sure the hair looks nice. So I had to clear the camera so y'all can see the sleekness, very much sleek. So yeah, y'all, make sure y'all follow my Instagram and get into it. Apply Gorilla Glue to the wrap because the Gorilla Glue helps seal the wrap together so it won't unravel. And holding spray as well.
Monkeypox is out. Goodbye. If y'all too close to our ponytail, that means too close. Back up. Monkeypox is out. We don't want no disease. Nope. What did you say? Spray bed bugs. Look. Spray bed bugs.
So I braid down 1/3 way, you know, regular braiding down, and then you wrap, and then you fishtail, and then you wrap like that. So it can have like a unique look. If you want further tutorials on this, let me know, comment below, and I'll share it with you. But make sure you take your time. And then I just perm rod the ends and curled it.
I just flipped the switch. Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual.
Get into the stitches.
Niggas swear they past us, they doing too
Into the
much.
sleek. No relaxio, no relaxio. Get into the braid. Yeah, where y'all see this at? Nowhere. Bye y'all. And then get to the other side, because then you see the other side. Ooh! They just like that. Ooh.
Oh, you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up.